In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update Asphalt 8 game to the latest version. By updating Asphalt 8, you'll be able to get the latest version of this game. You'll also be able to fix any issues that might be related to your game. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so to update this game, you need to go ahead and look for this Play Store app, and from here search for your game by name. So make sure first you are logged in with your Gmail account, and then you should see a search bar on top here. If you can see this search bar, then head down to a search icon here, search for Asphalt 8 like this, and then you can see we have our Asphalt 8 car racing game. And now we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of this car racing game. To update, tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of this game app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the game has been downloaded, as you can see, it is quite huge. It is around 3.1 GB. Now you can go ahead and start playing it. So that's how you can update Asphalt 8 game to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.